Hi again, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam, and we're traveling into the kitchen this evening because we've got a quick, easy, healthy, delicious meal we want to prepare for you. You saw in the title, we're talking about this, grass-fed lamb chops. Who doesn't love lamb chops? You may say, I don't love lamb chops. If you prepare them right, though, friends, you will love them. And these are healthy and delicious. And we're going to be doing them in the air fryer of all things. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at how easy it is and how beautifully they cook. Okay, so let's open up our lamb chops here and see what we're working with. And again, these are really beautiful little lamb chops. Look at about 1.5 inches thick. We're going to place them on that plate right there. And I've got, looks like 3, 4, 5 beautiful little lamb chops. Now we're going to take a little bit of olive oil. There's our olive oil. And we're going to kind of drizzle it right over these lamb chops. Here we go. Being kind of liberal with them. And then we're going to take them and turn them over. Get them all nice and coated with that olive oil. There we go. That way they don't stick, but also olive oil adds a little more flavor as well. So we've got that ready. Next up, now that we've got them all olive oiled up, I love using this. It's Kinder's organic seasoning. This stuff is really good on any kind of meat or chicken. And we're going to liberally apply this. Liberally, did I say that right? Liberally apply our seasoning to it. Also, get the little fatty side, kind of dip it around in this excess that came off. Because you want to have it all covered really, really nicely. There we go. And now we're going to season them a little bit more. And kind of rub it in just a little bit, give you a look. See there? Looking pretty nice, huh? So, wasn't that easy? Next up, we're going to be heading over here to the air fryer. One thing that people fail to do with an air fryer is this. I preheat. Now, we're going to be doing an air fry crisp on this. 400 degrees. And we're going to let it preheat for about 3 minutes so it gets nice and hot. Because you want to put them in there on that nice hot little griddle here in just a moment or two. Okay, so the air fryer has now been preheating. Down below there, you can see there's our lamb chops. And we're going to place these in the air fryer. You can hear maybe just a little bit of sizzle as I put those down in there. Going to just place them around the little carousel here, ever so gently. And they're nicely seasoned and ready to go. And then we'll close the lid up. And we're going to put it on its own air crisp. We're going to go to 400 degrees. And you're probably saying, well, how long are we going to cook them? We're only going to go about 4 minutes on each side. So stand by here in just a couple of minutes. Well, 4 minutes that is. And then we'll show you how they look when we get ready to turn them. And there we go. That's our first 4 minutes with the lamb chops. Looking beautiful, are they not? And so we're going to flip them over. And they're already starting to brown up. You hear that sizzle in there? And we're probably going to go maybe 5-6 minutes this time. We're going to cook them till they're about medium rare. And there we have it. That's our final 5 minutes. So we'll hit the stop button. Let's take a look inside. Oh yeah. Look at that. Do you hear the sizzle? Oh, boys and girls, I wish you could smell this. These are going to taste absolutely delicious. Stick around. We'll show you the completed plate here in just a moment. Now, to complement the lamb chops, I'm also preparing some sliced mushrooms and a little olive oil, salt, pepper, a little garlic, and some paprika as well. These are going to taste really good topped on our little lamb chops. It'll be out here in just a minute or so. Since we're going Mediterranean tonight, I'm going to be roasting some sliced cucumber with little cherry tomatoes. It's on parchment paper there. Just some salt and pepper and olive oil. We'll roast those for just a couple of minutes, and trust me, when they come out, they're going to be delicious and a nice side dish to our lamb chops. To complement the lamb chops, I've made us a little tzatziki sauce to go on top of it. Cool and refreshing. All you do is you grate up some cucumber, mix it with some Greek yogurt, salt, pepper, dill, and some lemon juice, and it's absolutely delicious. And there it is, folks, our final plating. Our air fryer lamb chops with roasted mushrooms, or actually I did them in a black skillet with some roasted cucumber and some roasted tomatoes. And don't forget, I've got that tzatziki sauce to go on top of all this. So there you have it. Hopefully that was another quick and easy meal for you. The good news is absolutely delicious. Absolutely, it's healthy. It's low calorie. It's low carb. I can't say enough good things about it. Keep subscribing to our channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam. Check out the podcast too, Love Letters to Pam. Until we see you that next time, have a great day. Better yet, make it a better tomorrow, and bon appetit, as they say.